I thought I would share how and where I store all of my Village pieces. So I like using these Rubbermaid totes that have the flat lids. I feel that they stack easier in my storage room. I have 3 different sizes. My largest is a 116 gallon tote. I prefer those ones, but they are harder to find. Obviously, the larger the tote, the more I can get into it. Another factor of how many pieces I can get in a tote depends on the sizes of the Village box. So like this tote, it's the smaller one, smaller tote at I think 106 gallon tote. This one has 3 large boxes. That's all the actual houses that I'll be able to fit in that. But I'll be able to put some accessories on the side. Then when I get this one totally filled, I'm writing down on a sheet of paper what is in this tote and putting that at the front of the tote. So in hopes when I go and take everything down, I'll be able to just grab the tote and go, okay, well, this is what's in here, and then just take those pieces. I'm hoping that that makes it easier. That's the first time that I've done it this way. So that's how I store the Village pieces. And this is where I store the Village pieces. We have a room in the basement. I have 7 in a row, and there's 3 rows of the totes. So this is one of them that you can see where I wrote everything down. So this, like I said, this is in our basement, and then my setup is in our basement as well. It just makes it easier not to have to haul them upstairs. This is only the 2nd year that I've done this down in our basement. So that's how I store and where I store my Village pieces.